Imagine being the director of your dreams, controlling every action and twist in the plot. Welcome to the world of lucid dreaming. This intriguing realm of the subconscious is more than just a bedtime story. It's a state of mind where you're aware that you're dreaming and can even manipulate the narrative of your dreams. Over half of us have experienced this, with some even managing to visit this realm on a monthly basis. So, let's take a journey into the mind, delving into the science, the benefits, and the techniques of lucid dreaming. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of this fascinating sleep phenomenon. So, what exactly is lucid dreaming? Let's dive in. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon where the dreamer recognizes they're dreaming during REM sleep. That's rapid eye movement sleep for the uninitiated. It's the stage of sleep where most of our dreaming occurs, and it's characterized by random, rapid eye movements, increased heart rate, and more active brainwaves. Now here's the real kicker. In a lucid dream, the dreamer has the ability to control the narrative of the dream. Imagine being the director of your own dream movie. Pretty cool, right? And you may be surprised to learn that this isn't some rare, esoteric experience. In fact, more than half of us, around 55% to be exact, have had a lucid dream at some point in our lives. It's a testament to the incredible capabilities of the human mind, the way it blurs the line between the conscious and the unconscious, the real and the surreal. Isn't it intriguing that we can be conscious in our unconscious state? But where did lucid dreaming come from? It's time for a little history lesson. The concept of lucid dreaming is not a new one. It has roots that go way back to ancient times. In the East, for instance, Tibetan Buddhists practiced a form of yoga known as dream yoga, believed to be a form of lucid dreaming as early as the 8th century. This practice was a spiritual endeavor aimed at achieving enlightenment. This idea, however, took a scientific turn in the West in the late 19th century. An early reference can be traced back to the French sinologist Marquis d'Hervé de Saint-Denis. His work, Dreams and How to Guide Them, published in 1867, was perhaps the first to touch on the possibility of controlling dreams. Fast forward to the 20th century, the term lucid dreaming was coined by Dutch psychiatrist Frederik van Eeden in 1919. He used it to describe dreams in which the dreamer is aware they are dreaming. Then, in the 1970s, the scientific community started to take more interest. Lucid dreaming was scientifically verified in lab settings, marking a significant shift in our understanding and perception of it. From ancient spiritual practices to modern neuroscience, lucid dreaming continues to intrigue and mystify us. Now, let's delve into the mind-bending psychology of lucid dreaming. Exploring the wondrous depths of our minds, we find lucid dreaming, a unique sleep phenomenon that merges the realms of dream and reality. There's an intriguing duality to lucid dreaming. It's as much a psychological experience as it is a dream experience. Lucid dreaming occurs during the rapid eye movement, or REM stage of sleep, a period characterized by intense brain activity. This is when your brain is as active as when you're awake, making it the perfect stage for vivid, immersive dreams. But here's the twist. In a lucid dream, you're aware that you're dreaming. You can steer your dream narrative, interact with dream characters, and even practice skills. Imagine rehearsing a presentation, playing a musical instrument, or painting a masterpiece, all in your dreams. Research suggests that about 55% of people have experienced lucid dreams at least once. However, only around 23% experience them on a monthly basis. The psychological benefits of lucid dreaming are manifold. It can serve as a tool for reducing nightmares and anxiety. By gaining control over their dreams, individuals can confront and resolve their fears in a safe environment. It's like your personal, built-in therapy session. Lucid dreaming can also enhance motor skills and creativity. Studies have shown that practicing a physical activity in a dream can lead to improved performance in reality. And let's not forget the boundless canvas of the dream world for the creatives out there. Additionally, lucid dreaming can aid in dream interpretation, providing valuable insights into our subconscious minds. It's like having a direct line to your innermost thoughts and feelings. However, it's crucial to approach lucid dreaming with caution, especially for individuals with mental health disorders. The blurring of the lines between dreams and reality can potentially exacerbate certain conditions. The mind is a powerful tool, especially when we learn to harness it in our dreams. Now that you're intrigued, you might be wondering, how can I experience lucid dreams? Well, there are several techniques that can help you unlock this fascinating phenomenon. First off, let's talk about reality testing. This involves checking your environment several times a day to see if you're dreaming. For instance, you could try reading a sentence, looking away, and then reading it again. In a dream, the text will likely change, but in reality, it will remain the same. Next up, we have dream journaling. This is as simple as it sounds. You keep a journal by your bedside and jot down everything you can remember about your dreams as soon as you wake up. This helps you become more familiar with your dream patterns, making it easier to recognize when you're dreaming. Finally, there are several induction methods you can try. One popular technique is the wake back to bed method, where you set an alarm to wake up after 5 to 6 hours of sleep, stay awake for a while, and then go back to sleep. This method increases your chances of entering REM sleep, the stage of sleep in which lucid dreams are most likely to occur. Now, these techniques may not work instantaneously. It might take some practice and patience. But remember, every great journey begins with a single step. So, keep at it. And before you know it, you'll be exploring the limitless landscape of your own dreams. Remember, patience is key. It might take some time, but the world of lucid dreaming awaits you. Lucid dreaming, a fascinating journey into the depths of your unconscious mind. We've navigated through the concept of lucid dreaming, delving into its origins and the captivating psychological facts associated with it. We've discovered how it occurs during REM sleep and how a staggering 55% of people have experienced this phenomenon at least once in their lives. We've also explored how to initiate these vivid dreams using techniques such as reality testing, dream journaling, and various induction methods. The potential benefits of lucid dreaming are truly remarkable, from reducing nightmares and anxiety, improving motor skills and creativity, to aiding dream interpretation. However, we also underscored the importance of approaching lucid dreaming with caution, especially for individuals with mental health disorders due to potential risks. As we conclude, remember that understanding our dreams is not just a fascinating exploration of our unconscious minds, but also a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. If you found this journey into the world of lucid dreaming intriguing, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the human mind. Sweet dreams and happy exploring!